In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Face ID for private browsing on your device. When using private browsing mode, Face ID is usually required to unlock it, which can be annoying if you want quick access. Luckily, there's a simple way to adjust these settings. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Tap on Apps to manage applications installed on your device, including Safari. Scroll down until you find Safari and tap on it to access Safari settings. In the Privacy and Security section, you'll see several privacy features. Look for Require Face ID to unlock private browsing, and toggle off the switch to disable Face ID for private browsing. Now, you can access private browsing without needing to authenticate with Face ID each time. If you have questions, leave a comment, and if the video helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.